In this HuntControl app tutorial video, we are going to cover the camera/map page. When you launch HuntControl, you'll be brought to the dashboard. Tap on the menu button at the top left and go to camera/map. The first thing you'll notice here is a list of all your active cameras. Underneath the name of the camera, you can see the last activity of that camera. So behind the barn, the last picture it took was 8/5 at 1:54. To the right of the name, you'll see what carrier that camera is. So behind the barn is an AT&T, and underneath AT&T you'll see whether it's a standard camera or a mini. To the right of that you'll see the battery indicator, and to the right of that you'll see our signal strength. To see a map view of all your cameras and their locations, tap on the map button at the top right. HuntControl will ask to use your location. We suggest using your location while using the app, and now you'll see all our cameras. So if you zoom in on a group of cameras, you will see their location. And if you tap on a camera, you'll see the name of that camera. If you want to add a camera or a pin to the map, hold your finger down at the location you'd like the pin to be. And from here you can type in your camera's IMEI number. You can scan the barcode of your camera. You can add an SD card camera, or you can add a pin to the map. Let's go ahead and add a pin to the map. So we'll click add a pin, and we'll give that pin a name. And you can choose the type of pin you'd like to drop. Your options are stand, trail, camp, or feeder, and more pin options are soon to come. So we're putting a blind here, so we'll select the stand pin, hit done. So you can zoom in on the pin here, and you can move this pin around by holding your finger down on the icon. And if you see this little square here, that's actually the blind, so we'll set that icon right on top of there. When you're done naming and selecting the type of pin you'd like, hit save. Now let's see if that pin is there. Now you'll see our blind pin. You can tap on it, and there it is. Now if you hit the button at the bottom right, this will bring you to your current location. This is the WiseEye office, so that's where we're at here. Next I'll show you how to delete a pin. So let's go back to our cameras list. So in this list is where your pins will be also. And you'll see at the bottom the blind pin that we just created. Tap on it to edit it. So you can rename it, you can change the type. So if you're moving this blind to somewhere else, you can just move this pin. Or if you're taking it out completely, you'll just hit the trash can icon at the top. So let's add a camera to our account from the app. So when you're adding a smart cam to your HuntControl account, be sure to update your subscription. And to do this, you'll have to go to HuntControl.com and update your subscription from the website version and not the app. You'll do this from the customer portal page. So be sure to watch that video and learn how to do this before trying to add your smart cam to your app. So at the bottom right, you'll see the plus icon. Tap on that, and you'll get the same options as we did before. So you can add a smart cam, you can scan the barcode of your smart cam, you can add an SD card camera, or you can add a pin to the map. Let's go ahead and add a smart cam. So you can do this one of two ways. You can manually type in your IMEI number, which we'll do now. From there you can hit add smart cam, but next I'll show you how to scan the barcode. So I tap on scan barcode. HuntControl would like to use access to the camera, so you hit OK. Then you'll scan the barcode of the IMEI number. It says success, so we'll hit OK. And now you'll notice the IMEI number, and that will be the camera that we just added, the very first one. Next we'll go ahead and edit that camera and give it a name, so you'll tap on it. And you'll see right now the name is the IMEI number, but if we select there, clear that, we can name this camera. And for this example, we'll just call it Mini, hit done. Now with the Mini, it does not have a built-in GPS, so we'll have to update the location on the map. So the only pin on the map right now is the Mini. So when we're editing a camera, it will just show that camera on the map. From there, we can move the camera around just as we did before. So when you add a Mini to your HuntControl account, a lot of times it will automatically be in Louisiana or Arkansas. So you'll want to update the location by holding down the pin and moving it around to wherever your camera is. So if you want to move it a long way, you'll zoom way out. Hold down on that pin and move it to wherever you are. So moving the pin is important because this is where it will collect the weather data and the time for that camera. So be sure to move this pin to the camera's location so you can chart and graph and update the time of that camera. When you've edited all your information and updated the camera's location, hit the Save button at the top right. So now you'll see the many that we've added in our list of cameras here. And you'll see the battery says 0 and the signal 0, but that's because the camera's off. As soon as you place that camera out and it connects to a tower, your last activity, your battery, and your signal strength will all update. So that covers most everything here in the Cameras and Map tab. If you need more information on how to set up your camera, update your subscription, please watch the HuntControl 101 videos on our website.